Your engineering data is your most important asset in your product development process, and you must collaborate from many different sources within your organization and with suppliers when exchanging data between systems. How much of your time is spent working with supplier components? Are you planning to standardize on one CAD software for design and engineering? There are dozens of different file types made from various CAD applications, and the last thing you want to struggle with is which one imports the best into your software. After the model is translated, fixing issues can be time-consuming or sometimes impossible. You want a tool that references third-party CAD data without rework or error-prone translation, so you can immediately include it in your design workflows with the confidence that any updates received will immediately update inside Inventor without you having to redo all your hard work. The benefits of referencing data from other CAD systems in Inventor reach beyond error-free files. What happens when you receive a change to the model from your supplier? No problem in Inventor. Update the original reference in place and it will update inside your Inventor assembly, including all the relationships you've created. You can't afford to let supplier data get in the way of your design and engineering progress. Easily include data from other CAD systems in your workflow today with flexible options for subscription of Autodesk Inventor.